Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be short and simple and to the point. I'm going to show you guys how I apply this wig that I got from wigginshair.com. I'll leave all their information down below. This is like my effortless lazy girl frontal wig application little method, and I just wanted to share it with you guys as well as share this gorgeous hair. This is my second time trying out Wiggins Hair, and they have ceased to amaze me. I feel like their wigs are great for beginners because they're affordable and they're easy to apply, and the hairline comes pre-plucked, so I did not have to put in any extra work with my tweezers, so that's definitely a plus. So if you're interested in seeing this wig application and hear more details about this little effortless body wave unit, I need you to go ahead, thumbs up this video. So I want to start off showing you guys the unboxing and everything that comes with this unit. So yes, inside your packaging you will get some nice goodies. This unit is by wigginshair.com. Again, I will leave all their information linked down below in my description box. This is their body wave lace front wig in 16 inches, 180% density. And if you want to save $10 off any purchase, use the code WIGGINS10. And I will leave all the information that you will need to know about this unit and coupon codes in my description box. Also direct links to purchase this unit if you are interested. As I stated in my intro, this unit does come pre-plucked, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots for my second time, and they came out really amazing. Now I see what the hype is about around bleaching your knots. It truly makes a difference. So right here I'm showing you guys how the unit looks on my head before I apply it. Doesn't that hairline look amazing? So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch the process of me showing you guys my lazy girl wig application method. This is foolproof and perfect for beginners. But before I let you go, look at how this wig is laying without any adhesive. I'm vouching for Wiggins.com because they have some amazing beginner-friendly units. But go ahead and stay watching. So with this application, I didn't even want to bring out any hot tools besides my flat iron because I wanted this application to be as simple as possible and just effortless. So you guys see me applying this powder into the parting space, and just look how the lace melts into my skin. Wiggins, you did that. Quick rundown about this unit again. I did not receive any shedding upon applying this wig and brushing it out and styling it, so definitely give it 2 thumbs up for that. It's true to length. This is 16 inches and it's probably a little bit longer than 16 inches, so that's perfect for anyone who wants to go in and curl this wig or customize it, trim it up to your liking. I definitely suggest this unit. It's nice and full. I love the density. Again, the density is 180%. I've been wearing this hair for like 3 days now and I haven't been getting any tangling, no shedding still. This wig is amazing to me, and again, I cannot stress enough how perfect this unit is for beginners, because you don't have to do any customizing to the hairline, and honestly, you don't even really have to adhere this wig down. You guys seen how that wig was laying before I added any got to be glued spray. This is one of those wigs that you see on Instagram and you'd be like, "Bitch, what lace?" So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I will leave a direct link to this wig as well as a direct link to Wiggins.com down below. Please check them out if you're looking for a quality unit at an affordable price. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.